Hi, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how we can create additional channels within a Microsoft team. So please don't forget to like, please do subscribe. So let's get over into Teams. Here we are in Teams. Today I'm working within a finance team. However, creating a channel works exactly the same in a class team as well. So when we actually create a Microsoft team, we get a general channel. So this is where all our conversations can take place. However, there may come a time where we wish to separate out our conversations. So not only will I then have a general channel, but I could have a channel that's geared around payroll conversations and supplier conversations, for example. To get started, to create a new channel, just come to the top of the page, just where we've got the title of the team, just come to the right, and I've got 3 dots, the More Options menu here. I can click it, I get a drop down, and from here I can then add a channel. I do need to give that channel a name. So in this case we'll call it External Vendors, and from there I need to choose a channel type. I get the option of 3, so I can choose a standard channel where everybody can see the content of that channel, a shared channel, or a private channel where people are invited into it. In this case I'm just going to stick to a standard channel. I can select that. It then tells me that everybody within the team has access to the content of this channel. And it's also good practice just to check this box. So I recommend that people show this channel in their channel list. What this then means that the minute I come to create the channel, it will then appear in all members of this finance team's channel list on the side here. If I fail to check it, it will then go into a hidden channel list further down the page. I'm just going to keep that recommended, and all I then do is select create. And as you can see, my external vendors channel has now been created. I get a conversation area here so I can create a post. So anything that's relevant now to external vendors can go in here. And also at the top of the page, I get a files tab. So any documentation that's associated to my external vendors, I can now place in here so I can create fresh content or potentially upload any existing content in here as well. To come out of the channel, I can just click on General, and that will then take me back to the start. There may come a time when the channel becomes redundant and we don't need to use it anymore. So for example, here's my external vendors channel. I've got a More Options button. I can select that, and from here I can select Edit Channel, so I may wish to change its name. I can archive the channel, so basically it packs it up and makes everything read only, or I can completely remove the channel by selecting delete. If I archive the channel, it will ask me if I wish to freeze all the conversations, and I can restore the channel in any way. So I can make the channel read only and then select archive. That will then place my archive channel in the hidden channels area. If I select the arrow, I get a drop down. There's my channel here, and we can tell it's archived because it gets a little archive box here. If I go into it, it will then give me a banner at the bottom of the page saying the channel was archived, so I can't post any more messages, but anybody visiting the channel still has access to the files area, and if anything's been placed in there, that can be set at read only. I can also delete a channel as well if it becomes redundant. So I can go to, for example, suppliers here, 3 dots, More Options, delete the channel. If there are any files stored in there, these will be placed into SharePoint. So it does give you a link to be able to go find them, but I can select delete, and that will then remove the channel from my list. If I've made a mistake and I wish to get my channel back, I can just come to the top of the page, just where it says Finance Team. Again, 3 dots, More Options, and I can select Manage Team. This will then open up in the channels area here, and it shows me all of my active channels. As you can see, the external vendor one has been archived, but it's still visible to us. And if I go to 4 more, there's my deleted channel list. I can open it up. Here's my deleted channel here, so the suppliers one that we've just removed. I still do get the option to be able to restore it. So once I've deleted it, I can get it back. Just click restore, and that will then add it back into my list. To come back out of this area, I can just click on Channel. That'll take us back into Teams, and then we're all good to go again. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like. Please do subscribe, and if you click on the activity bell, you'll be notified every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. Thanks for watching.